course helped me to really learn about what I've been putting in my body and also what I want to put in my body. The food that we ate, that we made together, every single meal was incredible, and getting the chance to learn how to make those meals was absolutely insane. With tons of information, it's a lot to remember, but it's all so interesting and they present it in a really, really interesting way.
It's very hands-on, so you're not just sitting listening and listening and listening. It's definitely more than learning how to prepare raw food. You're learning the nutrients, you're learning benefits, you're learning the history of some of the foods, the taste balancing, menu planning, recipe developing.
You know, we learn a lot of things online through the media and through diets that, can be quite misleading. So the biggest highlight for me is demystifying all of that information into information I can take away and I can implement into my daily life immediately.
It gave me so much information about all the foods we were using and in all the recipes, and really inspired me to change the way that I'm eating and change the way that I'm cooking for other people as well. To consistently bring healthier options to the table will help everyone involved.
First thing I'm going to do is go home and lead by example with my family and with my friends and everyone that surrounds me, and do my best to get all this valuable information that I've learned here out to everyone else, because I feel like everybody needs to learn this.
Some of the highlights of the course were the instructors.
Their energy is amazing. You can tell that they love what they're doing. They walk the talk. They're leading by example, which is really inspirational.
I chose this course specifically because I had seen Danielle's TED Talk, but mostly just because of Danielle's reputation and all of the different recipes that I had seen in looking her up. Just really interested to learn from her, and being able to work with her one-on-one was an incredible pleasure.
And Danielle, she is just a big ball of energy. Her passion and her creativity for teachings, it just showed through everything.
Danielle is absolutely hilarious. She makes this course really fun.
Just the knowledge that they have and the energy is incredible.
What I found with Danielle is that she's really high vibrational. She's got so much information to share with the world, and she doesn't hold back. You know, if you ask her a question, she will answer your question with fine detail. And that's what I really loved about Danielle's teaching.
The other students here have been incredible. It's people from all over the planet. They all are so inspiring and have their own stories and their own reasons why they're here. And all of them are, beautiful people who are like-minded to me and are interested in treating themselves and other people with respect. I think of them as family at this point.
There are so many diversity in the group, and yet we all are connected in our love for food,
We've all come from so many different backgrounds, like nutrition, chefs, massage therapists. I'm a photographer, so it's like a mash of all these different types of people that have come together just, for the same goal and same purpose.
This group has been amazing. We're like family. Like, the energy throughout the whole group has been fantastic.
They're new lifelong friends. They're just as passionate about food as me.
They're so stoked. They are so happy. They want to learn just as much as I do, and we really came together super well. I think a course like this will attract those kind of people.
I feel a lot more confident in what I want to do. Now I know how to ferment different kind of food and do it in a way that makes me feel safe about it, which is very important for me. And just know how to make chocolate.
I feel empowered, excited. I feel like I have a lot of tools in my toolbox now. I have a lot of knowledge as well as recipes and skills that I can bring to the table, and will definitely give me an opportunity to open up myself as a chef.
I feel armed with the tools that I can implement into my daily life.
Actually, I have so many ideas that I want to do. With what I've learned here, I feel like I want to go home and tell everyone about it. But I know the leading by example is the best way.
I want to absorb everything that I learned from Danielle so that I can go and just share my knowledge with everybody.
To anyone that's thinking about attending this course, I would say go. And to anybody that's not thinking about attending this course, I would say go as well. I think we should all come and learn from Danielle.
To anyone who's thinking about attending this course, I would strongly suggest to do it. Definitely don't waste any time, because the quicker you can start eating this food and knowing how to cook this food for yourself, you can start to heal your body and really change the way that you think about food and change your relationship with food to be a more loving one, one that causes less discomfort and one that you can share with other people to help them heal as well.
I say this with every penny that you give to Danielle. This course is packed with information, and there's the side benefits that's gonna surprise you in the most delightful way.
Anyone considering attending this program, I would tell them to just do it. It's life-changing. It really is.
I would say to anybody considering taking this course to just do it. You won't regret it. You will get more out of this course than you thought you would. It completely, mind-blowingly exceeded my expectations. I got way more out of this course than just learning about food.
If you want to live a fulfilling life and you want to be healthy, you need to take this course.